How many children do you have?
2.
What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably
Okay. No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out. I want to get out.
This is going to be my last time. Do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation. Okay, probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine. That'll be probated.
This dude is staring down 20 years behind bars for burglary, and the wild part, he's sitting in court acting like he's at a comedy show, smirking, leaning back, looking way too comfortable, like the whole justice system is just a minor inconvenience. And then Judge Boyd asked him a simple question about his kids, and he couldn't even name their birthdays. Bro, you're fighting for your freedom and can't remember the most basic thing about your own children. People keep calling it fatigue or blaming the system, but nah, this is just raw arrogance. And the kicker? He really believes he's walking out of here with probation. If I was in Judge Boyd's seat, watching that cocky grin and hearing him stumble through basic parenting 101, I'd be leaning hard on that 10 to 20 years. But what do you think? Does he deserve a break or should he get the full sentence? Drop it in.
Understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense in count 1, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, is he able to move to the other end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're back on the record. State, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
At this time, the state introduces State's Exhibit 1 and all of its attachments.
No objections.
Mr. Farris, I'm showing you what's entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just that Mr. Ferris is very motivated to do well in this probation, and he asked that the court follows our agreement. The only other thing that I would ask, Judge, is if you would probate the fine. He is indigent.
All right. So, Mr. Farris, if you're released, where would you be living? Do you have a place to stay?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, who would you be living with?
My wife.
I'm sorry?
With my wife.
All right. Are there any issues?
Not in our communications today, no, ma'am.
All right. Does your wife want you living with her?
Of course. She's had 2 babies.
Well, I mean, just because a female may have someone's child, that doesn't necessarily mean that they want them living with them.
I would like to help her.
Well, I mean, again, people can help with children without living with someone. So here's the thing. If you end up seeing your wife and she doesn't want you staying with her, then you can't stay with her.
Okay.
All right. And are you all legally married? Did you go to the courthouse or did you have a ceremony?
What's the courthouse?
Okay.
Paid $150 for it.
All right. How many children do you have?
2. She just had them.
Ages?
1 and just had it. The other one, 2 boys.
Okay. What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably December. The other one she was at
But no. You're giving me a month, but what is the child's date of birth? If the if the child is expecting a birthday gift from you and they want it on their birthday, when would they get it?
See that February, February 3rd? Yeah, somebody's on the 3rd.
All right, so you're saying February 3rd.
So much apart.
So that's one. So what's the date of birth of the other child? You're gonna have to do better. You understand?
I'll try. I'll try.
All right. That's a tattoo you can get on your arm instead of what you
I
have
was gonna get two tattoos.
with their dates.
Now, this right here is just embarrassing. Imagine sitting in front of a judge, facing 2 decades in prison, and you can't even remember your kid's birthday. That's not about memory. That's about priorities. And clearly, family hasn't been anywhere on this guy's radar. Judge Boyd has seen it all, and trust me, when a parent can't answer something that simple, the life sentence goes right out the window. Knowing your child's birthday is like knowing your own name. It's automatic. You don't need money, status, or excuses. It's literally the bare minimum of being a parent. And yet here he is fumbling the basics while acting like none of this matters. Some folks want to blame society, but this is all on him. Accountability doesn't skip steps, buddy. And honestly, watching his entitled attitude in front of Judge Boyd makes me wonder, does he even realize how close he is to throwing his entire future away? Let's keep watching and see how far that arrogance gets him.
All right, and what is that other tattoo about?
I don't know. They gave it to me.
Who is they?
Some friends of mine. I don't know. I don't know none of this. It's probably my because I don't know.
I mean, when did you receive that tattoo?
A long time ago.
Okay. So why were you in this apartment?
I was helping my friend move. I was doing a good deed. I just moved out of his couch and that was it. And she said I took something. I didn't take nothing. All I did was help us move the couch. And that was it, man.
All right. Do you want a jury trial?
I just helped the guy out moving. I was the guy.
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out.
No, I mean, do you want to have a jury trial or do you want to go forward with this plea? Because if you want a jury trial, then we will give you a jury trial, quick, fast, in a hurry. It won't be today.
I know that. But with for this plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
I'm sorry, what?
That plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
Here's the thing. When people think about doing plea agreements and their goal is, I want to get out, there are consequences to all of these cases for entering into pleas. So with this one, it's a criminal conviction and you're not going to be allowed to have any weapons or ammunition because it's a criminal conviction.
Weapon I have.
Sometimes these pleas affect your ability or impact your ability to obtain an education and receive financial aid. Sometimes it impacts your ability to have certain forms of employment that requires licensing. It affects and impacts your ability to register to vote because you're a convicted felon. You won't be able to register to vote until you are no longer on paper. So if you want to go forward with the plea, the court will place you on probation. If you wish to have a jury trial, then the court will set this for a jury trial. So do you wish to go forward with this plea?
I want the plea. I want to get out. I mean, I just would be nutshell for now. He supposed to be my friend. I didn't even enter the house.
Well, let me just tell you what I read.
The couch out.
Let me just tell you what I read in the police report. It mentions your good deed, but if you're doing a good deed, you don't accept payment for it. So this is what's in the police report. It says, victim 1 and victim 2 were in the process of moving out of their apartment. Victim 2 asked you, which is described as AP, which stands for arrested person, to help with the move, and he would pay him some money. Arrested person stole victim 2's bicycle and left the location. While victim 1 and victim 2 were out dropping off belongings, the arrested person returned and entered the apartment without victim 1 and victim 2's consent. Arrested person took victim's property out of the apartment and left the location. Arrested person returned for more property and was caught by victim 2. Victim 2 detained arrested person until police arrived. So I will place you on probation. It's completely up to you. But if you want to go to a jury trial, we will give you a jury trial as well. So this is going to be my last time asking you, do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that'll be probated. Take into consideration 2022 CR 8418. There's to be $500 restitution and no contact. All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ferris, you need to learn the birth dates of your children. You only have 2. Some people come here, they have 10. And you need to be a better father to them because they're expecting you to be in their life.
Father.
All right? Okay.
Oh yeah, father of the year right here. Because nothing screams good parenting like stealing a bike from your own friend and barging back into their house to cause chaos. And then not even knowing your kids' birthdays? Please. But the funniest moment came when Judge Boyd dropped the 10 years probated sentence on him. And this dude thought she just slammed him with a straight 10-year prison bid. The look on his face was priceless, like he just got hit with a life sentence. Judge Boyd was basically teasing him. Oh, you want probation? Cool, let me know. And then spun it like, here's 10 years. You could see his soul leave. His body for a second. Reality check though. Probation means he only serves time if he screws up again. All he has to do is keep his nose clean and that decade never touches him. But let's be real. Judging by that smug courtroom attitude, I wouldn't bet a dime on him staying out of trouble. Still, Judge Boyd gave him a fair shot. Now it's all on him. What do you guys think? Did he get lucky? Or is he guaranteed to blow the second chance? Drop your thoughts in the comments.